Hi! Welcome to Professional Career Update. In today's video, let's understand Clinical SAS, stands for Statistical Analysis System. It is a programming software used for data management,
Clinical SAS is the use of SAS software in clinical research to manage, analyze, and report clinical trial data. Pharmaceutical companies conduct clinical trials to just safe and effective.
Every new medicine begins with a breakthrough discovery. Clinical trials then ensure patient safety and efficacy. Millions of data points are collected and secured. Before medicine reaches the market, millions of data points must be analyzed. Meet the Clinical SAS programmer. Learn who they are, what they do, and how you can become one.
People who volunteer play an important role in research. Their safety, privacy, and well-being are always carefully protected.
Clinical SAS plays a critical role in clinical research by helping professionals manage, analyze, and report clinical trial data. It enables statistical programmers and data. Clinical SAS is a specialized software platform used by statistical data analysts to manage, analyze, into reliable evidence required for regulatory drug approval. Clinical SAS is used to manage, analyze, and report data. Companies conduct trials to check if a medicine is safe. Data collected from thousands of patient regulatory authorities.
A complete Clinical SAS course generally covers both programming and clinical research concepts. You'll learn SAS programming from beginner to advanced level.
To succeed in Clinical SAS, develop these skills: SAS programming, SQL, TLF, clinical trial knowledge, CDISC standards, SDTM, and ATOM.
After completing Clinical SAS training, you can apply for roles such as Clinical SAS programmer. Many pharmaceutical companies, CROs, and Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. See you in the next videos.